Hello viewers, I was telling about today how to post on Instagram. For that we need to go to Instagram. Here we have two three ways of to post a photo or video. So here we have a plus symbol. Click on that. Here we have that post story reel live. We need to post now. I was taking post picture. I was clicking on Tom and Jerry, and next here we have edit option. So if you like means just edit it. If you need to add music means click on here, we have a music symbol, click on that. No, I was taking Tom and Jerry BGM. Click on next button. If you need to add your location means just add it. If you need to tag any people means here you have a symbol, tag that. If you need to share your post to your Facebook also, here we have a symbol that just if you like means just turn on, don't like means just turn off. Share it, click on share button. It was finishing up, it was completed.